A flat major. This scale has 4 flats: A flat, B flat, D flat, and E flat. And of course, A flat is repeated again on top. So we're starting on 2, 2, 3, thumb under onto C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. So we're not actually using finger 4 and 5 in this scale at all. And just take your time with it, do it nice and slowly, don't rush. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. For the left hand, 3 starts on A flat, 3, 2, 1, 4 on D flat, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb on C, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Hands together. Again, only practicing this when it's solid in both hands separately. Thumb under, fourth over, thumb under, third over, thumb under, third over.